Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am sharing with you a major before and after cleaning session. So as you can see from here, my washing machine was filthy. Even the agitator in the center was just full of stains and dirt. And so I am going to show you how I clean it all up. My name is Emily and I blog at queenofthehousehold.com. I went ahead and unplugged my washing machine just for safety reasons, and then I used my homemade all-purpose spray. It's just Castile soap and water, and sprayed the top, and then I started taking apart some of the pieces so that I could get a really good clean. So I'm actually using some of my most favorite but very simple cleaning tools in this video. A toothbrush is great for getting those little spaces that are hard to get rags into. I also like to use Q-tips, and you'll see me using a Q-tip later in the video. And then my favorite sponges to use are these Scotch-Brite heavy-duty sponges. And then I also like using microfiber cloths. And so those are some of my favorite things to clean with, and they worked really well for cleaning out this washing machine. I took apart as much as I could of the agitator, and then I put it in some soapy water in the bathroom sink and just washed it out with soapy water, and then replaced it all once it was cleaned. The agitator had a lot of grime built up over the years, and so I used my heavy-duty sponge, scrubber sponge, to get a lot of that off, but it still was kind of giving me a hard time. So I ended up adding some baking soda to my sponge and just a lot of elbow grease. It did take a while to get all of this off of the agitator, but eventually it did come off. And then I just finished wiping down the rest of the washing machine. After I'd scrubbed everything down, I took my dry microfiber cloth and I just wiped down everything so I could get any leftover debris just picked up and cleaned all the way up. After it was all put together, I decided that I wanted to clean the inside of the washing machine, and so I added 1 cup of vinegar to my washing machine and then set it to the hottest setting and the heaviest load cycle. But I wish I had done this before I had scrubbed the washing machine down, because it probably would have loosened up some of the dirt and the grime and made it easier for me to clean. So just keep that in mind. But then after that cycle ran through, then I went ahead and I took a half a cup of baking soda, and again I ran it through the hottest setting at the highest level. And what that did is it helped also clean just like the vinegar did, but it also helped with any odors that were stuck in my washing machine. So here is the before, just to remind you what we were working with to begin with. It was just a hot mess, but I love how it turned out. Every time I walk in my laundry room to do laundry, I just love seeing how clean my washing machine. It literally sparkles as I look at it now. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gives you motivation as well, and I will see you in the next video.